What is up? Today I will be doing an unboxing video. I will be doing this LED light up ring. Apparently you're supposed to put it on your device, on the camera, to make your pictures or videos better and by the quality of this video without good lighting, because no more lamp in the back. Yeah, there's nothing in the back corner anymore. Hopefully I can get the good stuff to do that. It's coming up to be my birthday in February, and I'm just gonna hope I get some corner decorations. So I bought this from my school. They have this, like, if you're a good boy or a good girl, they give you little tokens on the school iPads. And so basically you can buy stuff from the store. So I had like 1,800 points, which if you don't know what that means, it basically means 1,800 points. So I bought this, which was 1,500 or 1,500, and there's black, white, and pink. So people already bought the black and white. I thought the black one would be pretty cool to have, because my tablet, the thing that I'm recording on right now, you guys aren't watching it, but the thing you guys are watching this from the recording, no, still wrong. But what I'm recording on is a black tablet. But I'm fine with pink because it's like the only like cool colored one they have. So I already took it off now. Goodbye plastic. So I put the batteries in already. So it has this little hole right here for the camera, and the camera lens is, wait, where is it? It's right here. So I'm gonna get this on the camera, and I will show you what this thing does. Okay, so this one is a little better quality than this one. Okay, so basically what you do, okay, I'm gonna flip this back. Basically what you do is you do this. You clip this right onto here, and then, so let's take a normal picture. And this, well, it's kind of weird looking, but this is what a normal picture looks like with this. Now let's turn it on to level 1. It has 3 levels. Ooh, this does look pretty good. Ooh, look at this. Imagine the good lighting we could have with this. Okay, now let's take a picture with this. That looked weird. Okay, that one looked weirder. There. And there. And then let's turn it up one more. Even weirder. Lighting gets a lot better as we go on. And last level is super bright, so if you got sensitive eyes, just cover your eyes. I don't think it actually does much on the camera. Well, yeah, it actually does somewhat. So this is what the first one looks like. Second one, third one, and fourth one. There's somewhat of a difference, but I feel like if you're doing a video, it works a lot better. Okay. So now let's swap this to video and do it without any, oh yeah, the quality on this is really bad for the video, but okay guys, go subscribe. Okay, now let's put this on after that, and let's go. Okay, the quality for video is bad. Boop. Hey guys, go subscribe. Okay, now let's turn it on. And let's... Hey guys, go subscribe! Okay, now let's show this one. Oopsie poopsie. Okay, now this one. It does look a little better. Now let's show this. Oopsie, that was the wrong one. Oh no, that was the only one. Wait, yeah. Boop. Hey guys, go subscribe. It is. Oh, you guys didn't see. Okay. It's true what he has to say. Oh, I think that's a picture. Now let's show this. Okay. Boop. Hey guys, go subscribe. It's true. Okay. So I'm sorry this was like a little too long for just a regular unboxing for this little thing. Let's pop it on and do the outro. Boop. Okay. Okay, guys. I just want to say, go subscribe. Down below, it should be a red button unless you're already subscribed. Which, if you are, thank you for supporting me. And if you aren't, please scroll down. Boop. Click that little button. And if you click that button, it will pop up a notification, which is a little bell next to the subscribe button. And I want you guys to push that button. Woo. Okay, and after you push that bell and the subscribe button, go push the like button and spread me around to your friends. I know you go to school, unless you're homeschooled. But if you do go to school, then share my channel with your friends. Because by my birthday, I'd like to get to 37 subscribers. Can we get to 37 subscribers? My birthday is on February 14th, 2006. So hopefully we can get 37 subscribers by my birthday. And thanks for supporting me, guys. I'd like to say goodbye.